This is amazing. Do you want to add images on the left hand side or draw images on the left hand side, and you can see the images getting generated in real time on the right hand side. You can even add your own objects and see a change on the right hand side in real time. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you about real-time image generation using Krea. I'm going to take you through step by step on how to do that with a live demo. But before that, I regularly create videos in regards to artificial intelligence on my YouTube channel, so do subscribe and stay tuned. Coming to Krea, we are going to generate images in real time. So I'm going to click the run button. This is how the user interface will look like. The instant you change the drawing in the left hand side, automatically the image gets generated on the right hand side. So I'm going to remove the prompt and also remove these pre-existing image. I'm going to start from beginning. First, I'm going to add a shape. This is going to be in green color. I'm going to choose this icon and then change it to green. Then adding another shape and changing the color to brown color. It's like the mountain. I'm going to copy that and add few mountains. Now going to draw a house with the brush size smaller. Just drawing. In the right hand side, you can see the image getting changed. Coloring that. Going to add a sun, probably more yellowish color. Yeah, that's added. Going to click. There are different styles here. So no style, cinematic, illustration, bloom. So I'm going to choose illustration. There's a strength at the bottom which you can change. I'm going to change that to medium. So the more the strength, the prompt will be used. The lower the strength, the image will be used on the left hand side. So now you can see it's trying to imitate what's on the left hand side. Now just going to increase strength a little bit and then give a prompt. House in the field with mountains at the back. So now we are adding prompts plus image, and I can increase the strength as well. So I'm going to increase that. This looks more relatable. I can even change the colors here so that it looks like a real house. Just trying to change a few colors. The door color. This is really amazing. As you can see, the moment I change something here, it's changing on the image as well. You can add image to this. I'm going to add image by clicking this button. I've added the image of a tree now. So you can see as soon as I added that, the image on the right hand side got changed. I can try different styles. First, I'm going to see the cinematic look. Illustration look is like this. Bloom look is like this. And the product look is like this. And I'm going to try increasing the strength as well. This is really amazing. You can see the left hand side what image we added and what we are able to get, the high quality image, and it was generating in real time. You should be able to create many images like this and able to download by clicking this download image button. This is really exciting. I'm going to create more advanced tutorial regarding this Krea, so stay tuned. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.